हेलो गाइस, होप ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। 20 से 25 साल की उम्र में बिजनेस करना पॉसिबल है? बहुत लोग सोचेंगे कि ये क्या बोल रहा है, कैसे पॉसिबल है 20 से 25 साल में बिजनेस करना, कैसे पॉसिबल है? बट आज का जो जमाना है 2021, इट इज पॉसिबल। प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी सिंपल लॉजिक ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस इन 2021, हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल। सबसे अच्छा बिजनेस है दो, विच विल नॉट टेक योर फुल टाइम। यू कैन कंटिन्यू योर 9 to 5 जॉब, बट यू कैन बी इन द बिजनेस, यू कैन सी द बिजनेस एंड यू कैन ग्रो द बिजनेस। अगर आप 9 to 5 खत्म करके 6 to 9, 3 hours if you give to your this business, I am sure in 10 years time, in 15 years time, you can sit on a business and you can be financially free and you can look out for possibilities and you can do something more than the normal. So are you ready to listen what I am trying to tell you? आप तैयार हैं मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूं? हमने जो काम नहीं किया या जो अभी 50 साल में जो लोग अभी आए हैं, उन्होंने जो नहीं मालूम पड़ा 20-25 साल में क्या कर सकते थे, और मालूम भी पड़ा होगा तो रिस्क नहीं लिया उन्होंने, मालूम भी पड़ा होगा तो उसके बारे में सीखा नहीं उन्होंने, या उसके बारे में उन्होंने ट्राई नहीं किया, या जो भी होगा। आई एम नॉट टेलिंग दैट दे वर रॉन्ग, आई एम टेलिंग दैट इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन द सिचुएशन। तो आज के जमाने में अगर आप 20-25 साल के हैं और आपका माइंडसेट बिजनेस करने के लिए तैयार है और आपका माइंडसेट कहता है कि मुझे बिजनेस करना है, तो माय फ्रेंड, 2 बिजनेस आर देयर विच यू कैन easily do and which you can be successful into that. No doubt I have. So please listen. Yes, research, studies, analysis, all is important before jumping into that. But कितना दिन? Take time of 1 month, take time of 2 months, take time of 3 months. After you have done your basics research and analysis, you can jump into that, and during that journey, you can keep learning every day. Every day is a learning. Every day is an opportunity to learn more. But be in the business so that in 10 years time, in 15 years time, along with your first job, along with your job cycle, you can create an empire on which you can boast upon and be proud of yourself. 2 things are very, very, very easy also, difficult also, but manageable also. One is website selling, e-commerce selling. Make one website of your name or whatever name you can find. Make one website and you will get what products you like t-shirts, clothes, gadgets, many other things are there, accessories, men's accessories, ladies accessories. Find one niche, 2 niche, 3 niche, 4 niche, whatever. 4 to 5 niche you find it out. Buy from wholesale market and sell on your website. Slowly and slowly every day. Don't buy stuff of 1 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, no. 5% of your salary, 10% of your salary. Buy the stuff, upload on the website and see the reaction. Buy the stuff, upload on the website and see the reaction. This business can be started in 10 to 20,000 will be charged for making the website, and balance you take the inventory of 20-25,000. Suppose you take good purse, men's purse, ladies purse, not more than 25,000 you need to start the business. Upload these purses, upload this product on the website and see the reaction of people. Upload this men's purse, men's cap, men's belt, men's handkerchief, men's socks, men's boxer shorts, the small items which will not consume huge amount because you are on salary and you don't have so much of funding. So do this business, and I'm sure don't look back for 10 years. Straight away I'm telling, 10 years पीछे मत देखो, उसमें माल डालते रहो, उसका रिएक्शन लेते रहो, सेल करते रहो, लोगों को अपना वेबसाइट स्प्रेड करो, इंक्रीज योर नेटवर्क, इंक्रीज दिस वेबसाइट का एक्सपोजर, टेल योर फ्रेंड्स, टेल योर कलीग्स, tell your relatives. So like this you can increase it, and one day you will find that you have made a big tree under which you can sit and you can enjoy and you can do something what you wish to do, and you will not think about money problem because you have found one base which is generating money for you. Suppose in 6 months, 1 year time, if you are set with the product, you can hire one person who will do this work behind you, and you can continue your 9 to 5 job for 10-15 years, which is for sure to continue, so that you have the money backup. So I'm sure there is no rocket science in this, there is no difficult path in this, and there is no very technical sound person needed. Only what you need is the eye to buy the correct product, and don't think that अरे मेरा से मिस्टेक हो गया तो मैं क्या करूंगा. कोई भी आदमी परफेक्ट नहीं है. Find a product, find 2-3 products, upload on the website and see the reaction. If people are liking it, increase it more. If people are not liking it, change the product, see the reaction. Worst to worst क्या होगा? You will lose 10,000, 15,000, but see the brighter part of it. If your line is accepted by people, if your products are accepted by people, then see what business you are creating and what empire you will create after 10-15 years if you are consistent in that. So this is one business which is possible, not very difficult, and practical business, and you can do it if you make your mind, and if you are thinking about a business parallel to your job. Don't leave the job. Do this parallel to the job for minimum of 10 years. I am sure by 10 years you will stand out of the line and will be proud of yourself. Second is stock market. Now every business you cannot do. Suppose you are a person of textiles. Now there are so many companies in textiles. You cannot be like them because they are working from past 30, 35, 40 years. Chemicals, they are working from 30, 35 years. FMCG, they are working from 30, 35 years. All the areas, if you see and if you are interested in business, then rather than you jumping in the business, be a part of that business and try to invest from 100 rupees, from 50 rupees every month of your salary, 10%, 20%, 10%, 20%, every month of your salary. Pull out this 10-20% amount and take stock of this. Okay, so start investing in companies which you know about the product, what they are doing. Suppose if you are interested in FMCG, list down few companies, you have to do some research and try to put your money in that. Keep buying, keep buying, keep buying. Don't think of market falling, don't think of market going down, because big companies who are settled from 35 to 40 years, their shares will never come down. Fluctuations will be there, up and down will be there, but at the end of the day, you will benefit from that, no doubt. So keep accumulating the shares of the companies which you think that it is very interesting, which you think that I can do something in that, and you think that yes, if I was to start a company in this, I will try to do in this way, and this company is what I like, I admire such companies. उसमें अपना पैसा डालते रहो. 10-15 साल अगर आपने एक स्टडी मोड पे उस पर डालना शुरू किया, माय फ्रेंड, by 35 also, suppose 20 you started your job, 25 you started your job, 25 plus 15, अगर आपने 40 years में आप श्योर एक बड़ा अमाउंट अपने लिए तैयार कर दिए होंगे, which you cannot do, which is not possible and which is not practical in any other mode of business. So try to understand this business, try to understand these two business which I have told, e-commerce selling and stock market investing. Be an investor. Don't pull out the money, don't put stop loss, just keep investing in the companies which you admire, which you know, and which you feel that if I was the owner of this company, I would love it. So try to be part of that company, and you can do your more research, you can do your more analysis, you can do your more study. Don't believe on me. I am here only to give you one advice, and trust me, 20-25 एज ऐसा है, अगर आपने इस एज पर वो काम नहीं चालू किया और आप 9 to 5 में ही अटके रह गए, तो माय फ्रेंड, by 40, suppose something happens, you do lose your job, or suppose if some setback comes, then that fund issue is so critical that I don't know what you will do, because by the time we are heavy in EMIs, we are heavy in responsibilities, and we are heavy in planning of funds, that we can't think anything beyond to do something out of the way. So I'm sure you can understand what I'm trying to tell you. I'm sure you can do a business in 20 to 25 age, and I'm sure if your mindset is telling that I can do some business, if you have that kind of drive, if you have that kind of feeling, you should go for it. No doubt you will be successful, and I'm sure you can make out of it the way I'm telling you. But yes, do your study, do your research, do your analysis, and then take the jump, because everything involves money, and once you have put the money, then you should not think back, you should take the risk and you should move ahead. But these two things which I have suggested, I'm sure it's very practical, it's very trackable, and it all depends upon your hard work and upon your effort, and it will not take your full time also. The moment you think that after 10 years this income is growing more from your regular income of salary, then you can take the chance of switching it over. But then it all depends upon your interest, it all depends upon your discipline, it all depends upon your effort, what you are putting into it daily. So let us see that you are understanding what I am trying to tell you, and you will take some necessary action to start your investment or e-commerce business from your first salary till 15 years, 10 years, till you are satisfied with the money what it is generating, and you can change your position. I hope I must have given some message out of this. I am sure जिसको ये समझ में आ जाएगा वो 20 से 25 साल के एज में जो यूथ है, आई एम श्योर somebody should catch it, and I'm sure somebody should make it out of it in a big way. Thank you so much for listening. See you next time with a good topic.